Howdy y'all, welcome to Al's Outdoors, another product review, which I'm going to stop doing, I guess. Troozy chainsaw. You can use it as a little handheld chainsaw, 6-inch bar. Long telescoping pole here for pole saw. And if you watch my videos, you know that these little electric chainsaws, the cheap ones, they haven't had a very good track record with me. But if you push this in, pull the handle, it's supposed to be running right now. It's full charged. It's not. If I hold it up, push it, there, it's running. It quit running. Anyhow, we'll try this. Collapse pole down. Now, RPMs are, they quit running on me again. Got a full charge on the battery. I'm pushing this safety button, I'm pulling on this. Nothing. If I play with it, it barely comes on. So remember guys, where is it? Troozy. T-R-O-O-Z-Y. Nope. Always tell you guys the truth on here. Don't forget that. We'd like to thank you for coming to Al's Outdoors. We love you. Always share your fire.